Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select latitude and longitude unit on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the icon at the upper left corner, scroll down, and you can find the units and time section. And here you can find the latitude or the longitude display. You can find the decimal, the DMS or DMD option. Actually, I use the decimal, but if you want to select another, for example the DMD, just click that and that's it. So simple in the reality. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.